Hey everyone, it's Ashley with Williamson Source. Today we're taking a look at Red Dog Wine and Spirits, located in the Publix Shopping Center off South Royal Oaks. Red Dog is well stocked with more than 1,700 wines from around the world. They offer a selection of over 300 single malt scotches. They also have an amazing variety of high gravity beers with the best case discounts around. Red Dog's knowledgeable and friendly staff is always willing to help you with any needs you might have. Be sure to check out Red Dog's weekly in-store tastings on Thursdays and Fridays from 4 to 7 and Saturdays from 2 to 6. For more information on these tastings, be sure to like them on Facebook or sign up for their weekly email. So we'll see you soon at Red Dog. Don't forget to ask for Bacchus.